Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Aditi and today's video is a very interesting video. As long as you want to do something different, you want to utilize your lockdown time and you want to learn something different, you want to try something different and you're tired of all the web series and films and you want to make something of your own, then this video will definitely help you out because I have researched and I have found 6 of the best design courses which you can access. All you need is internet connection and you need to understand the language that I'm speaking in, which is English. So I think I've done quite a lot of advertisement. Let's begin with our list. Let's not waste any more time. So the number 1 course on our list is offered by the Harvard University, and it's the same place where people like Michelle Obama, Barack Obama and Mark Zuckerberg have done their education. Now, Harvard University is a very prestigious university. It's also a very expensive university, but they have these certain set of courses which are available absolutely free of cost, which is the coolest part. And one of those free courses is on game design and game development. If you're somebody who's very intrigued about games and you want to know how are games designed and you want to have a game of your own, then you must look up to this course. You only need a little bit of programming knowledge. Other than that, you don't need to do anything about design. Everything will be taught. This course will last for about 3 months. By the end of 3 months, you will have your own custom-made game, which is the coolest part, okay? And once you clear this course, once you finish the course completely, you will have an option ahead of you. Either you can pass this course without paying any money. You will get a very informal certificate which you can share with your friends and your family. But if you want to pass this course with a formal, verified certificate from the Harvard University, then you need to pay an additional amount of $11,000. But like I told you, it's a completely optional thing. The second course on our list is called the Management of Fashion and Luxury Brands. This is a non-technical course. You don't need to have any technical knowledge for this. If you're somebody who wants to do their masters in design management, brand management, fashion management, and you're a little unsure whether is this the right field for you or not, then you can access this course absolutely free of cost. And it's coming from the University of Bocconi, which is in Milan, Italy. It's the fashion capital. So what you'll be doing in the course is basically it will give you a brief overview of brand management. How do luxury brands manage their brand? How do they maintain that status, that luxury status? Should you go for traditions or should you go for innovation? How do you make decisions? Because if you're very traditional, then you might look boring after a certain amount of time. And if you're very innovative, then you tend to lose your brand image. So how do you maintain that balance? What exactly is brand management? If you want a verified certificate from the University of Bocconi, then you need to pay an additional amount. But if you don't want a certificate and you just want to know for knowledge, you can access all of the course material without paying a single penny. The third course on our list is offered by the Museum of Modern Art, which is in New York. This is one of the most largest and most influential museums of the world. So the best designers, creators, artists display their work in that museum. So people who work there, they have exposure to some of the best creative minds of the world. They know what is happening in the fashion industry and they know what might happen in the future. So we can definitely learn a lot of new things from them. If you're in your 10th standard, 12th standard, or you're a graduate and you're doubtful whether is this the right field for me or not, then you can take up this course. It will just take 18 hours to complete, which is not a lot of time. You will have to clear a few exams midway the course. And if you want a formal verified certificate, then you need to pay an additional amount. But if you don't want the verified certificate, it's absolutely free of cost. The number 4 on our list is a course which is offered by the Georgia Tech University, and it's called Introduction to UX Design or User Experience Design. So let me give you a very short example. If you have a mobile phone in your hand and once you use that mobile phone, you can also use your mom's mobile phone. You're able to use a stranger's mobile phone, even if they are of different brands. How does that happen? That's because all these designers design your phones in such a way in which you don't need to look up to the manual every time. It's designed in such a way that you use your own intuition, which makes the entire process, which makes the entire experience very smooth. And we feel like repeating the entire process all over again. So that's the magic of UX design. If you want to know more about this field, how do designers actually come up with solutions, what is the scope of the field, and you want to study UX design formally but you're not sure about your decision, then you can enroll for this course absolutely free of cost, and this course will take about just 7 hours to complete. If you want a verified certificate, then you need to pay extra money for that, but if you don't want a verified certificate, then you can access all of the course material absolutely without paying a single penny. The fifth course on our list is from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, and this course is on digital design. Now, अगर आपको 3D modeling में बहुत मज़ा आता है, you want to know about robotics, color theory और VR, AR, इन चीज़ों के बारे में आपको जानना है, आपको लग रहा होगा VR, AR कौन है ये लोग? Well, VR stands for virtual reality and AR does not stand for AR Rahman. It means augmented reality. So VR is, to give you a very small example, जब हम मॉल्स में जाते हैं और लोग वो बड़े बड़े हेडसेट्स पहन के जो क्रिकेट का बैट लेके दे जस्ट स्विंग इट इन द एयर एंड दे लुक वेरी फनी, है ना, सामने कोई नहीं खेल रहा होता बट दे आर स्टिल प्लेइंग एंड दे डूइंग इट वेरी सीरियसली. So that is a very small example of somebody playing a VR stimulated game. So जब हम उस headset को पहनते हैं तो हमारी जो eye movement होती है और जो head movement होता है उसे track किया जाता है. तो हम जब राइट साइड को देखते हैं तो जो VR में सामने जो इमेज आती है उस हेडसेट में वो चेंज हो जाता है. जब हम बीच में देखते हैं तो इमेज डिफरेंट होती है, जब हम वापस राइट साइड देखते हैं अगेन द इमेज इज डिफरेंट. सो इट गिव्स यू दिस फील कि आप एक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड में पहुंच गए हो. इट गिव्स यू द फील ऑफ अ वर्चुअल रियलिटी. ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी इज कि हम अपने प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में ही एनहांसमेंट करेंगे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द वॉल बिहाइंड मी एंड सडनली इफ देयर इज अ प्रोजेक्शन, कोई एक माउंटेन जैसा कुछ फिगर बन जाता है यहाँ पे, नॉट लाइक अ प्रोजेक्टर, समथिंग विच इज 3D. ऐसा 3D इफेक्ट अगर आता है, उसमें कुछ मोशन ग्राफिक्स हो रहे हैं और इट्स इन मूवमेंट और आपको लग रहा है जैसे एक्चुअली समथिंग इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वॉल, दैट इज ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी. सो VR is going to a new world and AR is enhancing your present world. That is the difference. तो अगर आपको इस बारे में और जानना है, इसके बारे में और सीखना है, तो आप इस कोर्स के लिए एनरोल कर सकते हो विदाउट पेइंग एनी मनी. This course will last for about 5 weeks and every week you need to give 6 hours of your time, which is approximately 1 hour a day. बीच में आपके थोड़े quizzes होंगे, कुछ exams होंगे. And if you want to get a verified certificate from the Hong Kong University, then you need to pay an additional amount of 3,700. But like I told you, it's a completely optional thing. The sixth course on our list is offered by the Stanford University and it's the same place where people like Elon Musk and Sundar Pichai have done their education. So काफ़ी ठीक ठाक जगह है ये, है ना. Now this is a very prestigious place. बहुत मुश्किल होता है इसमें एडमिशन लेना एंड इसलिए जो इनका क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन है वो बहुत हाई है, बहुत सुप्रीम क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन है. एंड दे हैव दी सर्टन सेट ऑफ ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज जो बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल हैं. एंड वन ऑफ दोज कोर्सेज इज़ प्रोग्रामिंग मैक्स. एंड आपको लग रहा होगा ये मैक्स कौन है भाई? मैक्स कोई बंदा नहीं है, मैक्स इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर और इस सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज़ करके आप वीडियो प्रोसेसिंग के बारे में या म्यूज़िक प्रोसेसिंग के बारे में, साउंड प्रोसेसिंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ नया सीख सकते हो. यू डोंट नीड टू हैव एनी प्रोग्रामिंग बैकग्राउंड इसको करने से पहले. दिस इज़ डिज़ाइन फॉर बिगिनर्स. तो ये सब चीज़ें आप कोर्स के दौरान ही आप सीखोगे. दिस कोर्स हैज़ अबाउट 10 सेशंस and every session needs 10 hours to complete, which will approximately take you 1 week. So approximately this will take 10 to 11 weeks to complete in all. अगर आपको ये सिर्फ नॉलेज के लिए एक्सेस करना है, you can do this without paying a single penny. But if you want a verified certificate from Stanford University, then you have to pay $20 for every single month that you attend this course. So like I mentioned, all the links of these courses will be in the description box, so you can give it a shot. You can see how this works out for you. हो सकता है आपको ये midway अच्छा ना लगे, हो सकता है you realize it's not your thing, but you might also discover something completely new about yourself. You might discover some new passion about yourself. So you must give it a shot, and once you've done the course, you need to tell me in the comment section how is it, was it helpful, was it not helpful. और आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देख ही लिया है तो अब एक thumbs up तो दे दो यार. Don't forget to like, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल ताकि आप मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ को मिस ना कर सको. एंड दैट्स ऑल आई हैड फॉर यू इन टुडेज़ वीडियो. इफ़ यू हैव एनी मोर वीडियो सजेशंस, रिक्वेस्ट और feedback, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll try my best to ignore all of you.